How to be a responsible digital citizen.
Practice online. Etiquette, be respectful and polite in your own online communication.
How to be a responsible digital citizen.
Support positive online communities which distribution that promote fitness, inclusivity, and partnership.
How to be a responsible of digital citizen.
Be mindful of your digital footprint. Everything you post online can be permanently before sharing.
How to be a responsible of digital citizen.
Respect others' privacy. Never share someone else's personal information without their consent.
How to be a responsible of digital citizen.
Protect your privacy. Avoid sharing personal information like passwords, addresses, or phone numbers online.
How to be a responsible of digital citizen.
Use strong password. Ensure your accounts are secure by using strong, unique password for different platforms.
How to be a responsible digital citizen. Avoid cyberbullying. Do not engage in support or ignore bullying behavior online. Report harmful behavior.
I-verify ang impormasyon bago ibahagi. Palaging suriin ang impormasyon bago i-post. Ipasa upang maiwasan ang pagkakamaling impormasyon.
How to be a responsible digital citizen.
Follow law and terms of service. Adhere to legal regulation of platform guidelines when using digital tools.